Today Flying Fox is talking about ground control points and doing construction work. We're out here on a job site and it's fantastic. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi Elizabeth. So good morning everybody. It's 8:20 on the coldest day of this year in Virginia and Maryland, and we're heading to a mapping mission for a client that we acquired from a different client's job. So this is our first vlog and it's going to be kind of fun to do this. We've had a lot of people request information from us. We've had a lot of interaction on social media about what it is that we do and pricing and all of that stuff. Some of the stuff we're going to talk about, some of the stuff we're not. It's going to be a little different for us. We're going to show you what we do. We're doers. I don't want to sit in a classroom or try to show you what you should be doing. We're actually going to go out, so you're going to see us make mistakes. You're going to see us be imperfect. And that's kind of part of the fun, because really this is all about learning. One of the things that we say about ourselves and our company, Flying Fox UAV, is that Flying Fox UAV is a company that is a problem-solving company. We bring a lot of value to business. And because we bring so much value to business, we're constantly learning. So with that said, this is our vlog. Like, the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those bell notifications so that you get the updates from when we do our next video.
So we're here at the construction site in Frederick.
What?
Dan's setting up the catalyst to bake in the ground control points, and it is really cold out there, so I'm sitting in the Jeep. But we're going to start with 5 ground control points, which is our minimum for a site like this. We're going to focus on half of their location. Well, I guess I had to put my big girl panties on and get out there. It's cold. He's putting his onesie on.
Hi everybody.
Putting the onesie on. And really, when doing mapping, all of this work before the actual drone mission is kind of where the rubber meets the road. So what we'll do here is we'll measure 100 feet, spray the line, and then when the map is done, we can compare the measurements to the map. The drone map. And it's another point of accuracy in the materials that we give to our clients. give you a quick rundown on our setup here. Pretty much do the same thing no matter where we are or what we're shooting. You'll see that we've always got the Jeep and our safety cones surrounding either the launch land pad or the Jeep in general. We've got our generator, which is a godsend because on a day like today, the Inspire's made 4 passes and batteries are already down to about 60%. So this cold is gonna need a lot of battery swap outs. So we've got the recharge set up. Every Jeep needs a shovel and an axe. And our safety light. So we have that on if we're stopping and pulling over a lot on busy roads, and then in locations like this, just so we sort of stand out amongst all the other gigantic machinery. Jeep's getting new tires. And there's the Trimble, ready to go to bed. It's done its work for the day. And the landing pad, critical. And we always have our PPE, so reflective vests, hard hat, appropriate shoes, OSHA 10 certification. Well, that's it for the on-site work. Now we're going to pack up. Put all our cones away, the launching pad, generator, batteries, computers, discs. The list goes on and on.
Just want to say thanks. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked our first vlog, like the first video. Hit the subscribe button so that you know that we're, when we got more stuff coming at you, and hit the bell button. Hit the bell button so that you get notifications as to when more stuff is coming your way.